was the person to see. So Dr. Singh gave me a course of treatment of 9 visits. Following that, within 5 weeks after my final treatment, I've lost 15 pounds and a number of inches, and I'm continuing to lose weight. I used that program was in conjunction with watching my diet, as I had always done, as well as exercising. But again, those 2 things alone weren't making any difference, and I felt that my metabolic rate was not moving, and it needed some help. And Dr. Singh did that for me. The other thing that also helped me was that ever since I was little, no matter how much liquid I consumed during the day, I had frequent urination at night. And doctors always said there was really nothing wrong with me. With the course of treatment Dr. Singh gave me, I've been sleeping through the night, which I've never done since I was probably an infant, and feel great, and I'm really pleased.
Would you like to talk about one of a patient which you referred to me?